traders. It is 11:11. Interesting number. So last week I was looking oil 50-minute time frame, and we can see if we put this bottom here, you can see we have this nice super solid bottom from structure, and now we have the breaking point here. Let's zoom in. So you can see here we have the breaking point, price is pulling back, fake out, and then we have a W. The W is failing downsides, so the meaning is price action was going to the sell, but seller's TP is all the way down here. In the midway you can see the price action actually create another W. What was created here, price is creating another W, and price action is respecting that. Same time, price is breaking above the previous W, what was failed. Price is creating the high, pulling back all the way the same point where we break the structure upside. So the meaning is soon as when the price is going back all, let's put this one away. Soon as when the price is going back all the way here, we have the same original memory. We break above and price was creating a new high. Now you can see we have W here, price is making the high, price is retest with the W structure here. But what was happened yesterday? It is one of the best example right now, what I can tell you. Because you can see we have entry point, the price is going all the way to super close to the TP. So a lot of people most likely take the trades out, or the fear will start kicking in. But imagine how strong the fear is when the price is going all the way back to your entry point. Most likely, if you didn't take your trade out here, most likely you take your trade out here, or you take your trade out here, or you take your trade out here, because the fear is kicking in. For me, the opposite side was the price was going back exactly the same place. The first time we have this original memory, the price is creating W. Now the price is back in the same place, and we touch the same memory again, and what the price was creating here, a W pattern. Second leg, touchdown. Second leg, touchdown. Exactly the same coincidence. And now you can see price is going bouncing all the way to the TP. And in the midway, you can see the price is creating another W. For example, here you have another opportunity to go long, your stop loss and your TP. Very beautiful price action. Second trade, what I'm holding, the gold is still going. I'm just mirroring the same movement. Why? I'm mirroring the same movement what I did here, the sell all the way back. It's going super nice. We have nice W entry here, stop loss under, TP back to the highs, and then that's another trade what I'm holding. Again, a manipulation movement. So when we take these ones off, so you can see yesterday, before that, the price is making W above, stuck, close under, grab, and then the price was breaking above it. Now the price was creating equal high, so by nature this was the move to go higher. And here you can see, of course, where there is opportunity to fake the market makers gonna do it. And that was the fake out here. So if you look in the structure by the equal high, we have the Fibonacci equal high principle is 618 pullback, and you can see price was pulling back to the 618. But I put the Fibonacci top of the manipulation, and my entry was 0.7, stop loss Fibonacci, and TP back to the structure. This trade is currently still going, but the important point is to realize and to be a bit more patient. You can see the equal high, price was doing the 618 retest and start going exactly what the same principle was using the GJ here. So price was creating equal highs. We have equal highs, and then if you look the Fibonacci, you can see price is pulling back 618 and price is creating nice W here. And then finally the price was going here. You can see breaking structure, we break above it, retest, and price was going straight to the TP. The same movement we already talked about here. But you can see all this here was just noise, manipulation, and so on. Original movement will be, by nature, will be go up, retest, and start going higher. All this was unnecessary. And then you can see the original idea is continue. It's continuing now, and price was going. But this example here, the oil example, it is one of the best fear sample. What you can see right now is just too beautiful. Price almost hitting your TP and going straight back to your entry point. The other side, take the trades out. The other side, add one trade. What I did here, it's the best example. I didn't let my emotions take control. I was looking the information and possibilities and opportunities, and I just act based off the information and the opportunities. And here you have another big pattern here. If you look in that, you can see very nice pattern. Again, this point here, super nice entry. Very nice head and shoulders pattern. And then you're catching this leg here. That was the trade. That was your trade. Yep, that was a nice quick. And the gold, yesterday, if you look at the yesterday market, You can see here, I was looking this point yesterday too. You can see this nice W. We have this nice pullback and price is doing nice W here. So every moment, if you start longing inside all those 3 weeks, every single long inside that place, absolutely beautiful. We have break above, retest, and price just continues to break above, and it start going higher and higher and higher. Here is some kind of W2. You can see something is going on there. And my entry, you can see the previously how the price action is pushing higher. You can see W. You can see here W. You can see here W. You can see here W. And then this W was my entry. Nice, super nice W here. And that was my entry. Price is just building to go higher, higher and higher. Price breaking high, continuation pattern here. Price is going, break the highs. You can see here we have W pattern, movement, continuation. We have W pattern, movement, and again we have the same pattern here. So two same movements already back to back. W, movement, continuation, W, movement, continuation, and price is going. Just everything is same inside this movement right now. Only thing what is right now different is price is creating top here. So this 3 weeks inside that retest, this is what the price is doing right now inside here. Just the scale is different, but all the meanings and the words and the development and idea inside those candlesticks are same. Silver looks pretty similar. Like silver, we are all-time high now. We are all-time high. What is very interesting, super interesting. And I remember when the price was here, and I was talking with the friend, and like that's the best time for buying, and I see I even buy somewhere too. Oh yeah, that was the one. Yeah, that was the trade. Just too beautiful. Break above, super nice retest, and the price just goes. Here you have exactly the same moment. Bit more noisy, but you can see how the price is, like all this attention is forming in that point. And now the price is in all-time high, and you can see we have this bearish pattern in the top here. That's a bearish pattern in the top. So we break under, and you can see here the same pattern is mirroring the same movement. Like this pattern, just opposite, like just other side. So there's definitely some intention going on between this pattern and this pattern. So far, right now, the price is mirroring this movement. Put this movement here. But I will finish today. If you have some questions, leave in the comments, and I will see every single one in next video. Thank you and ciao.